how to make this cute macrame heart pattern. Starting with the third cord to the right as your filler and the fourth cord to the right as your working cord, tie a double half hitch knot at an angle going down towards the right. To tie a double half hitch knot, you will take your working cord, wrap it over your filler cord and through the loop and pull tight. And you'll repeat that process one more time, over your cord, through that loop, and pull tight. You will tie a total of 3 double half hitch knots on this side. Next, grab the third cord over from the left and the fourth cord as your working cord, and repeat the same process by tying 4 diagonal double half hitch knots to the left, and on your fourth one that will close the angle using your previous filler cord. And for your fourth one, you will use that previous filler cord and tie one more diagonal double half hitch knot to close that angle. Next, you're going to use that third cord over to the right and tie 2 diagonal double half hitch knots going down to your left. This is going to start to make that heart top little curve. And repeat it on the right side using the third one over to the left, and using the next 2 cords to the right, tie 2 more diagonal double half hitch knots to do the curve to the other side of your heart. Next, use the very first cord on the left, that is your filler cord. Take the next cord on the right and tie a diagonal double half hitch knot. This is going to start to close your heart, and you are going to tie a total of 5 diagonal double half hitch knots on the left side. To finish the right side, grab the very last cord on the right, that will be your filler cord. Take the next cord to the left, and again, tie another diagonal double half hitch knot towards the left to work on closing the right side of your heart. For this side, you will tie a total of 6 diagonal double half hitch knots using that previous filler cord on the left side as your last double half hitch knot to close the point. And for your 6 diagonal double half hitch knot, this will close your heart pattern, and you have just made your macrame heart. I hope that you loved this quick tutorial.